I'm Nelson from Archwick and B&T Air. We're based out of Taiwan. So what we have here is the B&T Air APC9 GBB. So we're directly licensed by B&T AEG of Switzerland. So over here we have the APC9K Gas Blowback model. And I'm going to take out the magazine. This is already a fully functioning model. It's going to be released around September this year. Just like the real gun, everything is ambidextrous. You have your one-piece upper CNC steel guides for the stock. You have your lower AR style grip. MB charging handle, one on each side. So the boat carrier itself, it's also CNC'd. So we're going to do a longer magazine. This is just a prototype. Originally we're going to do both a 30 and a 50, but we decided just to go for the full-size model. So a 50 round mag. So we're doing a gas and a CO2 magazine. All right. And over here we have the AEG version that is in development. No ETA for this yet, but this actually has a Gen 2 gearbox. And not much to talk about this one right now, it's still developing, but we're working on it. So go over here. This is going to hit market in about a month, official release probably in April. This is the SPR300Pro spring cocking sniper. So a lot of cool features on this. Obviously, again, it's licensed. It's got a CNC upper, a polymer stock, all CNC outer barrel. You got your TDC hop-up adjustment right here, just hand adjust, no need to use tools. And this has a dual magazine system. You could use the 300 Whisper or blackout type of magazine here, which feeds through a bridge into the hop-up chamber. Or you could actually take off the bridge and use a VSR-10 magazine, one or the other. When you look inside, this is our hop-up chamber. It's all CNC'd as well. Our bolt, we've got a steel bolt, CNC piston, aluminum body, and then with stainless steel guide in the back, 90-degree system. So the stock capacity is 45 cc's, so it's quite a large capacity for a little gun. And you could actually run a tracer unit inside because the real gun, the barrel is actually a silencer, so it's actually quite wide. You could run extensions, so if you want to use a longer inner barrel. So the factory barrel is only 300 millimeters, so it's attached short for the amount of air volume that we have. And then also over here you can see our trigger box. Everything inside is steel. Trigger, selector, safety, all the sears inside. So another cool thing about this gun is it's how quickly it ticks down. So if you remove the handguard here, you loosen one screw on the side, take out one screw at the bottom, the barrel just twists off. And the bolt, it's also quick takedown. You could pull down the spring guide stopper, and then the whole bolt will pull out just yank it out like this. So if you want to change the spring, do some modifications or maintenance, it's very easy. So basically, this is about to hit market in inside of a month. And the last product we have over here. So this is the USW-G17 conversion kit. So over here we have a Umrex licensed Glock pistol. I believe this is a 43. Basically, this is a great kit for, speed softers. Sorry, people have been playing around with it all day. There you go. So The release button is here. I press, the stock springs out. It turns into a carbine. And this is already on the market.